Alright everybody, today I am going to be reviewing this pretty neat little device, multifunction card reader. It says it's an OTG USB multifunction card reader. I don't know what OTG stands for, and it doesn't appear to say anywhere on here. OTG function, work with Samsung, Galaxy Note, Nexus, and list a whole bunch of phones. Oh, on the go. Perfect for people on the go. So I guess that means you can plug it into your cell phone. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know that I'm going to plug it into my cell phone. I'll just do that. That might take a little bit of time, but I'll do that here after this, and I'll post the results on there. But it looks like you got an SD slot, and you got a micro SD slot. So let me grab a couple of those cards real fast. Alright, well I couldn't find a spare SD card, but I did get an adapter, which is the same size of course. So when sliding this in, I don't really know which way it goes. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, just kind of clips. You hear that little click? So that way you know that it's in. That's good. See if it does the same thing on the other side here. Yeah, a little bit of a little click whenever you get it in there, so that way you know it's in. And it's in pretty secure. I mean, you can wiggle it a little bit, but that's like wiggling it out. So. Now that one actually moves a little bit back and forth, but that don't concern me. Okay, so then you take this end and you plug it into whatever USB port you'd like to plug it into, or you take this end and you're able to plug it into whichever mobile device you have. Alright, so that plugs in. I don't know that it's really finding anything here. I mean, I would normally expect the phone to kind of detect that a new memory card was plugged in, right? Wouldn't you guys? See, I don't really have any. I don't really have any apps to search for anything on here. All right, we'll try the other phone. So what we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to, oh, look at that. That's not going to plug in. So I got a giant case with a bumper on this phone. This isn't going to fit on anything that's got like a big case like that. So that's not going to work. I'll have to try it on the computer and stuff later. I'll let you guys know the results. You know, I don't know why it wasn't working on this phone. As far as I can tell, there shouldn't have been a reason for why it didn't. So maybe I'll try to download something and see if I can't figure it out. Alright, anyways, that's what it looks like, and that's how you use it, and review to come.